Now that we understand the different preview options, let's start talking about publishing your course so learners can actually take the lesson you've worked to create. When you select Publish from the Preview drop-down menu or select the Publish icon in the ribbon, Storyline will open the Publish pop-up window. At first glance, it can be a little easy to miss, but along the left side of the window, you'll see 5 tabs: Review 360, Web, Video, Word, and LMS/LRS. Each of these tabs represents a different publishing destination or output format for your lesson. You'll simply select the tab that matches how you want the lesson delivered. At the top of the window, you'll also see a pale yellow banner that identifies how many potential accessibility issues Storyline has detected. Storyline isn't telling you that you must correct them, only that they exist and may affect accessibility. We aren't going to talk about the accessibility features in Storyline in today's video. We will talk about them in a future video. Finally, at the bottom of the window, you'll see the Publish and Cancel buttons. Once you've selected your publishing destination and configured the appropriate settings, selecting Publish will generate the final output for your lesson.